proper chocolatey like. What? Get in my belly.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm not gonna be cooking, but I will be making you a dessert. That's gonna be including what I'm gonna be making is chocolate chip cookie bar, if you want to call it that, or chocolate chip cookie pieces, whichever you want to call it. But you'll see what I mean as the video develops and goes through. Before we get any further, I need you guys to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Also, a shout out to my nephew. He's also got a YouTube channel. If you could kindly go hop over to his channel, subscribe to him and show him some love. Let me give you the name of it. Sleepy Sloth Boy. Sleepy Sloth Boy. Go over to YouTube, subscribe to him. That's my nephew there. Show him some love and let's get the video going, shall we? Right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've nibbled on a few of the cookies already, so I've helped myself to that. But here's what we're gonna do, or here's what we need to do. Make sure this is locked. You got your thing, you got your blender. What you're gonna do is just pour a few cookies in there. That's probably not gonna be enough, so let's just pour a little bit more, just in case. We'll leave that for later, okay? What you want to do is put the lid on this bad boy, pop it over to here, if you can get it right. I don't know. How do you turn it on? Let's just start off slow. That went really well. It's got like a little thing. We'll find it. Right. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my bowl. Get that out of the way. Open this up. Get that out. Let me get the spoon. You got the chocolate and that in there at the bottom. Guys, can I just say this smells beautiful? It smells absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, mate. I just want to take a spoon out, but I can't. If I do that, then I'm going to let you guys down. I'm not about to do that. Right, so here's what you're going to do. Let's get rid of that. Okay. I put a butter in the microwave to melt. So hopefully we should, oh wait. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, that is your melted butter. That's gonna go all in. Maybe that's a bit too much, I don't know. So yeah. Do that. You just wanna mix everything up. Maybe too much butter, yeah, but there you go. Let me get rid of this so you guys can see better. Is that better? Can you guys see? Right, so mix up your bad boy right here. Look at that. Make it just, you know, the last bits that didn't crush too well, crush it with the spoon, okay, to avoid any big, you know, bits and bobs and what have you. Okay, and then I've got my baking tray with some baking paper in there already, and all I'm going to do is pour it in, just like so. Okay. Maybe I needed more cookies, I don't know. I'm just winging it. Okay. That's that. It might be too liquidy, I don't know. Time will tell. But you just want to cover the edges, the corners, get it all in there. Get it rather balanced out in that. Okay. Put that there. And then I've got some condensed milk here, which will take a very long time to come out, I suppose. I'll tell you what, I'm not waiting this long. Yeah, boy! That tastes pretty good, you know. I don't think I've ever had condensed milk. But there you go, boys! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's more like it. Yeah? Empty out the whole can. Get your whole condensed milk out here, just like so. Okay, I'm not gonna, yeah. Okay, and now give it a little wiggle. Right, I'm gonna turn on the oven at 160, put on preheat. Then I've got some chocolate chips that you can just sprinkle on top. Yeah? Knock yourself out with it. Yeah? Some dark chocolate brown ones. And then I've got some different ones. Yeah? Spread them out. God, this is gonna be super chocolatey, innit? Proper chocolatey, like. What? What? Get in my belly! Right. You remember the cookies we had previously? What you want to do is just use your fingers and cut them up, okay? And then just put them in just like so. Okay, it doesn't have to be precise sizing or whatever. Just break it up, put it on top. Yeah. Nice. Give your hands a little wiggle, and then put this bad boy in the oven for about 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Bring it out, and let's see what's gonna happen then, shall we? Alrighty. It has passed that 15-20 minutes, and the house smells of amazing cookie. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm gonna do now is let this cool down for maybe half an hour, 40 minutes. Leave it to a side. Once that's done, pop it in the fridge for 3 hours. Let it chill. Bring it out and enjoy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been in the fridge for about 3 hours, so it's pretty cool. It's cooled down, obviously, of course. I'm just gonna try and take it out. Guys, it does have a bit of weight to it, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, let's get rid of that. And then you just wanna open it up. Obviously the sides ain't gonna be looking all nice and that. All nice and that, you know what I mean, mate? What I'm gonna do is cut it up. Hopefully it cuts. unless I got to leave it for a few hours to get to room temperature. I don't know, but let's see. Go on, mate. You know what? It's probably best to leave it to get to room temperature. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it to get to room temperature and then I'll be back. Okay, and we are back again. This has been there for, I think I left it for about 40 minutes, an hour. Either it's still really crispy or it's just gone. Yeah, I think it's a bit crispy like. Oh no, don't break. Look at that. Oh, okay. Just got to push down firmly with a knife just to get through, yeah. Gently place them inside a plate ready to be served. Right? It's like little chocolate brownies, except it's not. I'm gonna give that design. This is nice, guys. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, is your chocolate chip cookie bar. Bon appetit. Share, like, comment and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up